Get out right here, bro. Ah, man. I'm so screwed right now, bro. Like, I just got that drone. Yeah, man. What's up, yo? It's Captain Crazy right here. Man, like, I'm screwed right now, bro.
Actually, I was having a whole lot of fun flying my drone.
I mean, drone landed on the zinc right here, man. Like, the wind was too much. And the drone started waving. You can see the wind, bro. And then it landed on the zinc. Let's go upstairs and let's see if we'll be able to see the drone from the zinc and how to get it down, bro. Oh, boy. Ah, man. I'm so screwed right now, bro. Like, I just got that drone. And I was flying the shit. And it just went straight. Like, the wind was too much. And it started waving and waving. We're up here, but it's the real distance, bro. I'm up on my zinc, but let's zoom in to see if we can see the drone. Yeah, you have. Oh man. Okay, look at it right here. Oh man, this R5 I can go with my iPhone. God, this iPhone, man, iPhone can zoom that. But let's look for a way to go climb that zinc. And it's actually trespassing because I am my property. This is my property right here. That is not mine. But and nobody's at home, so let's go get some equipment and let's go get it, bro. Because I just bought that drone, man, and I just can't let it go like that because it looks like it's about to rain, and if it should rain, then our drone is gone, you know. So let's go get some properties, bro. Let's get our drone down. I think I'm gonna need 2 of this. And for those of you that's gonna be thinking like how high or how tall is the building or is it that risky, I'm gonna show you real quick that it's so risky, man. I'm gonna lie to you, man. This is a risky test right here, bro. And as you can see, first of all, this is a trespassing, bro. Secondly, you can see there's a rooftop right there. I'll be setting my ladder, like literally almost set my ladder right there to climb to that rooftop to get my drone back. And as you can see, that other rooftop, you can see some dangerous items. You can see an umbrella. So just imagine me, I can't really go down because this is not my apartment, man. I'm actually trespassing just to go get my drone, bro. Like this is gonna be risky, bro. And I love my drone so much, so I'm gonna take the risk real quick, bro. So let's get into it. Let's go get the drone back. Okay. Now we got this, but I don't think this is gonna be enough, bro, because looking at that distance. And the crazy part is this, bro. I'm the only one right here, man. Like, I ain't got nobody to help me, bro. Like, I'm toasted, man. Let's see if we can climb.
I brought these 2 ladders because these were the only 2 ladders that I can find for now. So I'm just going to test it and let's see if it will be able to get me to the rooftop to get my drone back. And if you know you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor, hit the red subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below on this video real quick. I tried climbing with the first ladder alone, and as you can see, it was unable to get me to the rooftop. So I decided to take a bigger risk, to tie it with a little rope to the protector right there and see if it will still be able to get me to the rooftop.
I'm gonna use this to support myself. So in case I want to fall, I'm gonna lift my leg real quick on the other side with this. Bro, just like a drone on the windy area, bro.
And after tying the ladder to the protector right there, I found out I'm unable to be able to climb with it. So I went to get this other ladder to use it as a staircase to climb into this second one. And that is going to be so risky, bro. And you see that black pipe right there? That's the pipe I'll be using to be able to see if I'll be able to drag my drone back to me from the rooftop. So let's give it a try and let's see if it's going to work or not. And at this point, I was actually scared for my life because nobody was holding the ladder for me. The wind was really kind of much and my legs was actually shaking, bro. I was really scared for my life, bro. But I love my drone so much, so I actually got to take the risk. And the pipe was unable to get my drone down, so I just got to throw it away because it was unuseful to me.
I tried a lot, and this is my only option right here. If it doesn't go,
and at this point, a passerby was passing through and saw me, and then he asked what am I trying to do? So I explained everything to him, and he said he had a longer ladder that I'll be able to use to get my drone back. So he brought this for me. So now I just want to give it a try and see if it's really going to work for me. And I really hope at this point that it works. And this is the person that actually brought this longer ladder for me. So I'm really thanking him very much. And I just want to give it a try to see if it's going to work. And actually, after putting it on top, it actually went straight to the zinc. And I'm really so happy right now. But at this point, I still got a little issue because I need someone that will be helping me to hold the ladder for me to climb on top. So I decided to drop the ladder at the under rooftop right there. And let's see if it's still going to work. So I requested for another ladder because I found out I won't be able to climb with just that one because it's a little bit shorter. So I decided to okay, let me bring another ladder to the equation right here and see if it's still going to work. As you can see, the risk I'm actually taking, bro. Without not resting it, yeah, it actually take me to the top, but I still got a little more inch to go. And at this point, I was so frustrated. Then he told me I could actually increase the ladder a little bit further. So we brought the ladder down for him to be able to help me to increase it because I don't know how it works. So now we're about increasing it, and let's see if it will really take me to the rooftop to go get my drone back. We actually did. We actually do increase it a little bit inch further, and this is his wife right here, and she still really want to help me to get my drone back. And I really appreciate them both. Actually, there are actually 3 of them, but the other one is just at the side looking at us, and I still do appreciate him though. So let's see if this ladder is going to be able to get my drone back, because I really do need my drone back. I ain't gonna lie to you. And at this point, after setting the ladder, it actually long enough to get me to the rooftop. But my phone fell down and nobody really noticed it until when I was about coming down. That was when I found out my phone actually fell down. But as you can see right here, I'm already at the rooftop. I got my drone and I threw it down, bro. Like, I was so happy when I saw my drone. Now I'm about coming down and I'm really kind of scared. Look at the drone. As you can see, boom, I threw my drone down. You can see he's with the man right there, and I'm about coming down from the rooftop. And this is the 3rd person right here that actually rendered to help me to go get my drone back, bro. This is like, now I believe there's still humanity still left remaining in this world, bro.
Let's go. Oh, now I think it's broken, bro. I broke my phone, I broke my drone, though. Yeah, man. You see right here, man. I got it. And I can't wait to review the video, man. And after this day, bro, I'm no longer scared of nothing, bro. From today, I'm gonna be doing some crazy shit, bro. You see that shit out there, man? That shit was so lit. Like, it's so crazy, man. So from today, I'm gonna be doing some crazy shit. So make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and share this post, man. It's Captain Crazy right here. Hey.